sewing friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sewing a tunic dress type top for my daughter. She's 5 years old, and I'm going to be using the Ellie and Mac Sweetie Pie dress. And it's going to be the tunic length, and so it should come together fairly quickly. All we have is this piece right here. We have the neckband and the sleeve. So I've already cut out everything. So here is the body of it, the neckband, and the two sleeves. So what I'm gonna start with doing right now is I'm going to use my rolled hem foot, and I'm gonna finish the bottom and the sleeves part. So, oh, and also if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing because I post videos every Wednesday, and so it should go fairly quickly. I'm actually going to time myself to see how long it takes to finish up this dress. To start with the rolled hem foot, you wanna roll a little piece of it first, and then you just stick it under your machine. Okay, and then this is how it turned out, and then we can iron it down so it doesn't seem like it's wavy. I'm gonna do that to all of my sleeves and then the other side of my dress. Okay, now let's iron down our hems and see what they look like. So the back neckline is going to be higher than the front neckline. So this is the front. Now I'm going to take this to the serger, and I'm going to serge right here and right here at the shoulders. Now we're going to pin down the shoulders. Here's my shoulder. Okay, so now we're going to sew our sleeves in place, and then here is my neckband that I'm also going to sew. Sorry that took a lot longer, but I also have to always make sure that the serger caught the fabric on both sides, because sometimes it'll cut it like that. Let me just go through this part again. I'm not a pro when doing curves on a serger. I'm just gonna sew this on my sewing machine. Okay, so I just sewed my sleeves on, and I just always want to make sure that there's no part where the fabric is gonna unravel. So everything looks good on that. So now, oh, and then where's my band? Oh, here's my band. So for now, I guess I'm just going to sew down the sides, and then I'll attach my neckband. I'm gonna start from the bottom so that I can hide my serger thread tails. So to hide the thread tails, I just get a couple stitches going, and then I grab the thread, the excess thread right here. Let me lift this up, and then I just tuck it under there. So now let's do the other side. Okay, and so now I need to examine this. See how it cut right there? I'm just not good on the curves. It's barely sticking in, so I'm just gonna put a little stitch on my sewing machine right there. And then this curve, I can see that it cut a little bit right here too. And I want this to last a long time, so I'm gonna do a stitch right there. Okay, see, so I double stitched it right there and then on this curve as well, just to make sure that it doesn't come undone in the future. Now we're gonna put the neckband on, and please continue to watch until the end because I'm gonna have my daughter try this on. You know what, next time I should add pockets, but this is what it looks like so far. So now you can watch me put the neckband on. I forgot to mark my middles in the beginning, so I'm just gonna mark them right now. I like to just use a Sharpie because the other markers that I have never show up. And I can't find my Sharpie, so I'm just going to make a little teeny clip. And hopefully I don't screw that up. Here's my neckband. Okay, my iron turned off, that's why. Okay, so now with my band, I'm just trimming the 4 corners for it so that I can evenly space out my neckband on the neck of my dress. So I'm gonna put this middle with this middle notch. Okay, so now I'm going to take it to the serger and attach the band. Getting the neckband started is always the hardest part for me. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, I think it turned out pretty good. I hope. I don't know. Okay, I didn't stretch it out enough. Look, it's not gonna work. I have to redo it. Of course, the back looks perfect. And the front is messed up, but I'll do it. I'll start over, and I'm just gonna cut it and reattach it. Okay, so we're going to try this again. I cut me a new strip, and then my neckline is all clean. Let me move this over like this. So I'm doing everything that I'm supposed to do. I just don't know where it is that I mess up. I think I mess up in the beginning when I'm putting it in the serger. Okay, there's those notches. And then on these ones, I'm gonna put some extra clips. Okay, let's try this again. I think we did it. I think that is much better now. Okay, so now I'm ironing it. I can still see a little bit of a pull right in this area right here, but I think that's gonna be okay. I just need practice, but this seems like it's going to be wearable for her. So I will go have her try this on. Oh, and I do want to mention it took me an hour. I started at 9:03 and now it's 10:03. So even with the mess up on the neckband, that was only 60 minutes. Yeah, it can be really hard trying to get a picture of it, but I think that this dress is a win. So here is the dress already made, and I just really, really like it. And if you liked this video, then give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing, because I'm also working on the same pattern and it's going to be color blocking. So make sure you come back for that one, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy sewing!